Now let's talk about how to link Dropbox to your Outlook on your iPad. So at first, the requirement is to make sure you have downloaded both apps on your iPad. So naturally, just get the Dropbox, get the Outlook, and then you can start sort of connecting them. Now, it depends on which way you want to connect it, right? So you might have some files on Dropbox which you want to share with Outlook, or you might have some files on Outlook which you want to save in a Dropbox. So these are the possible ways, but let's say that we have the first option where you have some sort of file and you want to just share it, right? So you need to just locate it through the official Dropbox app. Once you have the file, click on the three dots for more options and you can click on share right away, which is gonna let you copy a link, which is possible as well. Like, of course, you can copy the link and paste it directly into your mail in Outlook, right? So that's the first option, but you can also click on the share to button and it's gonna allow you to use a lot of apps on your iPad to perform the sharing, right? So once you get in here, you can just find the app which you are interested in, which might be a mail app from your favorite mail client, but it can also be directly the Outlook. And when you click on this, it's gonna like link it there right away, right? It's gonna just paste the file directly into a new message within Outlook, which can be shared to someone else, right? And also the other way around, when you have the Outlook email there and you receive a attachment file or something, you can save it directly to Dropbox, and this would be a way to link the two apps together. If you have any other questions or things that popped up in your mind, go ahead and leave them below in the comments. But for now, thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you in the next video.